Hey everybody, Pineapple Dan here, NiagaraTropics.com. Just over here in the back with the Trachycarpus tequil. Temporarily remove the winter protection. Here we are, February 24th, 2018. Right now, 5 degrees Celsius, hovering around low 40s, 41, 42 Fahrenheit. Anyhow, I just wanted to give you a quick update on the winter protection from the TP method. I'm going to leave the covering on. Obviously, there's still 3 more weeks of winter. And there's going to be a lot of wicked weather coming up, so I'm just going to leave the frost cloth on temporarily, but just to show that the TP method has always been a method that I really like. Everything is nice and green, healthy. Pretty much looks like exactly the day I packed it. As you can see here, a lot of green fronds right down to the base of the palm where I keep the lights, and of course you know, the dry heat rises and underneath the skirt, and there's some burnt tips there with from protection of the past. However, everything is solid and green, so I'm anxious to take the permanent protection down this spring. Looking at Palm Sunday, somewhere around March 15th, March 18th, St. Patty's. Okay, so that's it for now. I'll keep you posted on the others.